Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust your text size on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, you should see settings and privacy at the bottom, so just click on there. Then if you scroll down, you should come to accessibility, so you just want to tap on that. And then at the top you should see text size. So it just means adjust text size on the app. So if you click on there, it'll give you four options. So you can have the original setting, and then obviously you can go up through the sizes to whatever you prefer. And then once you're happy with that, just select adjust at the bottom, and it'll just let you know if you choose to adjust, TikTok will relaunch with updated text sizing. So just select adjust, and that'll change the text size on TikTok. Thanks for watching.